What she chose. Emma stood by the window and looked at the city lights. It was late at night, and she couldn't sleep. Tomorrow was going to change her life. On the table, there were two things: a job offer from another country and an old photo of her family. She picked up the photo and smiled. It reminded her of her hometown. Emma had always dreamed of a different life. She wanted to travel, meet new people, and build a successful career. But leaving everything behind was not easy. Her phone rang. It was her best friend, Sarah. "Are you still awake?" Sarah asked. "Yes," Emma replied. "I can't stop thinking about my decision." "You already know what you want," Sarah said. "You are just afraid." Emma was quiet. "Maybe you're right," she said. "But what if I make a mistake?" "Every choice has a risk," Sarah said. "Staying is also a choice." Emma looked out the window again. Doubts were coming back. What if she missed her family? What if she felt lonely? What if she failed? The next morning, she woke up early. She made coffee and opened her laptop. She took a deep breath and wrote the email. "Thank you for this opportunity. I would like to accept the offer." After sending it, she felt nervous, but also free. A few weeks later, she was at the airport with her suitcase. She wasn't leaving her old life behind. She was taking everything she had learned with her. The journey would not be perfect. There would be difficult days. But Emma understood something important. Life is not about choosing right or wrong. It is about choosing the life you know, or the life you could create.